How to use the Thetford camping fridges and freezer, which is on top, and regular cooling down below. Make sure you have the main switch from the electricity on from your camping vehicle and always remains on, otherwise the fridge won't work. Switch on the fridge and then you have a few selections available to you. The first one is the energy level, which can be either the main grid electricity when you're plugged into the main grid with your camping vehicle, gas when you're free camping, and alternator power when the vehicle is in running state. So the fridge will never consume power from your main battery, from the living battery in your vehicle. If the fridge is in the A setting, which means that the fridge will automatically switch from gas, main grid power, or alternator power from your engine, from the vehicle. So always make sure the fridge is in A. Then the temperature inside can be 1 until 5, 1 being relatively warm and 5 being very cold, actually until freezing point inside, so we recommend 3 or 4. And the last one is the condensation removal, which we always leave on in this position. This panel will go out, which you will see in a few seconds. This is just for energy consumption, to lower it, and you can always check if the fridge is still on via the blue light. Also, if you're not using the fridge for a long time, like for the winter period for instance, make sure you keep it in this position. Then there is always an air gap just to prevent condensation and mold formation. Enjoy your travels and good luck.